Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnath. In this video, you'll learn how to install Chocolatey, a command line package manager for Windows, which is similar to NPM for Node packages. So first, let's directly dive into installation steps, and then I'll explain you the details on what is Chocolatey and why to use it. So first, if you see the prerequisites, we need a OS which is Windows 7 or above, and also Windows Server 2003 or above, and also we need a PowerShell with administrative privileges. So now open PowerShell with admin mode. So right click on it and run as admin, and once you have done that, open chocolatey.org, and here on the top right you can see install, and here you will see the steps that you need to follow. The first is try to run get execution policy. It is shown as restricted. Then we need to use either all signed or use bypass. So instead of using all signed, I'll use this bypass command. So I'll just copy this. So once it is copied, you can enter, and we can see how it is extracting and installing. So within few seconds it has installed. So we can check whether it has been installed or not. So for that, I'll just use choco-v, and we can see the version 2.4.3. and now some of the basic commands I'll try to show you. So for example, 7-zip is one of the package, so which I'll try to search here. So choco search 7-zip, which means it will give you the various search results and also top search result. So then if you want to install this 7-zip, you can directly use the name of it. So now it is trying to install. You can press Y. So it has already installed. Now if I want to uninstall, I can do the same way, same as Y, and it is uninstalled. So you can use A for all. So we can see it is uninstalled. Same way, if you want to upgrade the version, you can do upgrade. So this is the basic commands, and first I'll try to now explain what is Chocolatey. So Chocolatey is a powerful command line package manager. So for example, we have npm which is Node package manager for Node modules. Similarly, for Windows, Chocolatey is created. So it will simplify our software management. If you want to install anything, update or uninstall any kind of software, then everything is using a straightforward commands that I have shown, so that we don't have to go through all the installation wizards and many more steps. And why we need to choose the Chocolatey? Because it is saving our time. If you have seen right now, it has installed the 7-zip within seconds. But if we want to download it and do the wizard, it will all take nearly 2 to 5 minutes. And also everything is automated using scripting. Because of that, you don't have to do additional steps manually. With just single command, you will be having the installation done. And also the consistency, because they have everything written in the script and you don't have to modify anything, and uniformly it will be installed for all the systems. And also Chocolatey has a massive repository, more than 9,000 community maintained packages. So how it works? So what it does is it leverages PowerShell scripts to automate software installation. So whenever you run a command that is choco install 7-zip, it will try to intelligently download the necessary files, execute the installer, and configure the software all seamlessly with simple and one single command. That's the power of Chocolatey. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video informative, please type helpful in the comment section below and smash that like button. Check out my other video on Azure IoT from the top right corner or in the end screen. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.